Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to remove unwanted language keyboard layout on Windows taskbar. Type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type Get-WinUserLanguageList. Type New-WinUserLanguageList space, EN-US. Type Set-WinUserLanguageList space, EN-US. Type Y to confirm. Type exit from PowerShell window. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.